Hello everyone. On this lovely Friday, we have our new product ready. Finally, we have this lovely paintbrush for retouching. It's a traveling paintbrush. You can turn it around and put it inside. So you can put it in your case. That's great. Made from the highest quality Kolinsky hairs. And what's this one? This comes here in a lovely bag, and that's our new glass pigment grinder for retouching. You see here the our logo. It's in the glass, and on the other side our lovely quality logo with two grinding surfaces, a big one and a small one. So you can either have tiny little portions to grind, or if you want to grind on the one side and on the other. So you can do two pigment colors at the same time. And what's this one? This is huge. This is our new pigment grinding plate. And it's like this. It's white, of course, but it got enamel on the back side. So scratch resistant. Our new quality logo, you can see. Bumper feet, anti-slip ones, so you have it proper on the surface. You see, you can always see the right color when you do retouching or grinding, and that's for retouching. Have fun.